on the restoration project. Just spraying a bit of gear on. Not bad. Yeah, how good's this? 42-inch heavy duty steel mowing deck. Got no idea what that means, but it's fucking good. Just did the rust converter on it and a bit of chassis paint on the 20 horsepower yard machine. Look how shit me Pop's welds are. Fuck is that? I can't weld for the life of me, but you know, I told him get the fucking angle grinder out, restart, but he's already painted them. I probably shouldn't do this while the paint's wet, but I can't help it. Fucking fuck yeah. Yeah, good.